Yo, Deku, I opened the door over there. Also, I'm starting to think it's not a cat. I think it's a dog. Are you injured? Yeah, bad. Over here, by the way.
It's nice that my thing's... Man, what the frick happened to my hand, bro? What the frick? Yo, I gooning too hard in the frickin' mud. Just low-key kiss. Shoot, wait, I can't even move, look. Look how slow I am, I'm a snail!
Oh, holy crap.
Dude! Is this how queso runs?
Nice.
This is how queso runs. Dude, I have to use hand tracking, this is... Oh, I'm so dead. Okay, I gotta use hand tracking.
It's pretty best.
Hey, yo, close that, I'm not close that. Close.
My screen
No,
is
I
so
can't even
simple.
see anything. Yo.
You actually...
No! Dude, I
Let me
cannot
just check what there's under.
Dude, look, it's a
I think
haunted
you should go
fort.
back and then you can... Are you recording it?
Yeah, I am.
Bro. I can't see.
Yo, it's a haunted fort, dude. Is that black people's farts? Alright, let's go. Let's go, Kikachu.
Or you can call it Enderman.
I'll use all for one. I'll use all for one. Wait, that's Goku. I'm charging up. This is the wrong character.
Wait, what? That was a weird looking cat.
You left me. How could you? How could you leave me? That's it, come here.
Didn't you kiss me? Like, what the frick was that?
No, I was thirsty.
Hi, how are you?
Yo, have fun with that. Have fun with that. Don't leave me! Oh wait, I think it's the guy. Wait, I think it's the guy. Well, hold on, he needs help. He needs help.
Yo, you can go out there and speak black for me. I can't see.
Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta go help this guy.
Alright. Sounds
Yo,
cool.
where you at?
Let's go, Ducky.
Yeah, this is work, I think. Yo, freaking sharded, dude.
Bro.
What just happened, bro? Yo, I can't see crap. I actually
Yeah, I
can't
can't see
see
either.
This is
I'm just gonna follow you because I'm blind.
Yeah, follow me. I'll use the power of one for all.
Who the hell is that?
One for all! Wait, hold on. What's that power? Start gooning! That's it. Hold on, watch this. Ready? One for all! Come here!
Oh, wow.
Oh! Okay, get away from me, bro.
Oh, stop going that way. We gotta go this way.
He's behind me? He's not even behind me, bro. What a freaking fart. Yeah, where'd you go? Gotcha. Gotcha, please. Gotcha. Wait, I can be him. Is someone there? Oi, bruv. I'm a part of the... Ah! Oi, bruv, want a spot of tea? Want some tea, bruv? Want a cup of tea?
Who's that?
What?
Is someone there? Oi, bruv. Want a cup of tea, bruv? Want a cup of tea, bruv? Yo, I will straight up diddle whatever the freak creature that is, bro. You know what? That's it. Time to... Is someone there? Oi, bruv. Time to use one for all. One for all. One for all. Oh, I can't see.
Yeah, I think he relaxed my movement. I was just thinking still just walk faster.
Clap his cheeks. Let's go this way. Let's not go that way. Let's go this way.
No, he went that way.
Oh, did he?
Yo, Deku.
His brother's right there! Run! This way, this way, this way, this way. No, not that way. Yo, help me. Why did I click that? Click off of me. No. Yo, please don't leave me. Yo, run.
What the hell are you?
Holy bazinga.
Anyone down here?
I can't move.
I wonder what the hell is going on.
What the hell is going on, Carl?
Researcher told domain. Please respond. To think. Today of all days.
You don't see me.
Guys, come on. You don't send me
Deku.
Gotcha, please. Help me.
Yo, Deku. I opened the door over there. Also, I'm starting to think it's not a cat. I think it's a dog.
Are you injured?
Yeah, dog. Over here, by the way. Over here.
Close it. Close the door, close the door, close the door.
You can't. So, yo, Deku.
Yes, gotcha. He's not behind us.
Holy bazinga! Holy bazinga!
That's a dead end! That's a dead end! What the frick is this? Godson, please!
I found it. It's not a dead end.
Who's that?
Get over here.
Show yourself!
Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Nice.
Is there someone there?
Nice doggy. You don't see me. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. He's biting my dick!
Also, I found a lever, didn't I?
Who the hell is that?
Get the not me! Get away from me. Wait, are we supposed to go back there?
Nah,
Which way are we
I got a
supposed
lever over here. Watch over here.
I
just wanna see if you can
He's to the
grab
left.
it.
To the right, to the right. Okay, I'll grab it, Where is it? Where is it? You gotta tell me where it is. You gotta tell me where it is. I gotta pee.
Oh, there you are.
Today of all days.
Give me a dog.
I gotta make diddle.
Nick Diddled. Yo, imagine getting the Nick Diddler.
Is someone there?
No, there's no one here. There's no one here. You'll never see me. You'll never see me. You'll never see me. You'll never see me. Shh, 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 shh.
No, what the fr- No! No! I'm getting
I know the rest of them are alright.
Man, what the frick? Man, bro was biting something.
Or not.
Hello? Who the hell is that?
Yo, get the frick away from me, bro.
No.
Who's that?
He did.
There's someone there. Who the hell is that? Hello? Is someone there?
Oh, you did! You did! You did!
Alright, so they can't hear us.
Why you look like I should speed?
Please speed, I need this! Well, you see this is a macadamian high?
Macadamia.
Whatever it's called.
Yeah,
Who's that?
it's freaking. It's man, I don't even remember. Oh, he died. Rest in peace, bro. It's like something Hero High or some crap. Hero Academy, I think it is. I don't freaking remember. I'm Deku. I should know this stuff, bro. Yo, if there's any red dog out here, I will clap. You don't see me. You don't see me. Oh, come on, you ugly little fart. Wait, this is the end? Oh my gosh, I made it! I made it! I made it! I made it! Oh my gosh, I made it! Oh, I made it! Let's freaking go! I beat it! Yo, yo, I see you! Come here! Come here! Quick, 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 get in here! Get in here, get in here! We made it, bro, we made it. We made it.
But I was already in this room.
Yeah, that's like, I'm pretty sure this is it.
It's also a level over if you want to try it.
Yeah. Which way is it? This way to the right? Run back! Run back! Get it, get it! No! Kikachu! Kikachu, no! No, he died right in front of my face, bro! Are you kidding me, bro? You autistic? That's it. That's it. With the power. Oh, I just crap myself.